Watch out! You are losing muscle without noticing. It may sound like an exaggeration, but it's not. Muscle loss happens gradually and stealthily, and by the time you realize it, you might already be feeling the effects. Less strength, more flabbiness, and a slower metabolism. Have you noticed that your clothes are getting looser around your arms and legs, but that stubborn belly fat is still there? Do you feel more tired and weaker than before? This could be a sign that your muscles are deteriorating. The biggest culprit? Your diet. Some foods accelerate muscle loss without you realizing it, while others help strengthen them and even slow down aging. If you want to keep your body firm, strong, and functional for many years, you need to know the 10 essential foods to preserve your muscles and the 4 that are destroying them. And that's not all. At the end, I'll share valuable strategies to ensure your muscle mass stays intact as the years go by. Now tell me, have you noticed that your strength isn't the same as it used to be? Have you felt your muscles becoming weaker? Leave your comment below. Don't ignore this warning. The longer you wait to take action, the faster your muscles can weaken. So stay with me until the end and discover what truly makes a difference in your diet. Let's get started. 1. Chicken and lean meats. If you're looking to build muscle without excessive fat gain, lean meats should be on your plate. Chicken breast, lean cuts of beef, and even select pork cuts provide complete proteins, essential for muscle regeneration and preventing catabolism. Additionally, they are rich sources of heme iron, which improves oxygen transport in the blood and enhances endurance during workouts. The natural creatine found in beef further boosts strength and explosive power, perfect for high-intensity training. 2. Eggs. Eggs are true allies in muscle growth. They contain high-quality protein with all the essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and strengthening. The standout nutrient is leucine, a key amino acid that stimulates protein synthesis, accelerating muscle growth and post-workout recovery. Plus, eggs are packed with B vitamins, which support energy production and nervous system function. And don't skip the yolk. It contains healthy fats and choline, crucial for brain health and reducing muscle inflammation. Versatile and easy to prepare, you can enjoy eggs boiled, scrambled, poached, or in omelets, a perfect choice for any meal. 3. Fish like salmon and tuna. This powerful fatty acid reduces muscle inflammation, protects joints, and improves insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your muscles to absorb essential nutrients. Additionally, these fish are packed with vitamin D, which is crucial for bone health and proper muscle function. Adding them to your diet enhances endurance, reduces muscle pain, and optimizes athletic performance. 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a fantastic all-in-one option for promoting muscle growth and supporting digestive health. It naturally contains casein and whey protein, ensuring a slow and sustained release of amino acids for muscle recovery. It's also an excellent source of calcium, essential for muscle contraction and bone strength. Plus, the probiotics in Greek yogurt support gut health, boost nutrient absorption, and strengthen the immune system. Convenient and delicious, you can enjoy it plain or mix it with fruits, honey, or nuts to maximize its benefits. 5. Lentils and beans. Don't underestimate the power of legume. Lentils and beans are excellent sources of plant-based protein, making them a great option for those looking to diversify their diet and boost muscle strength and endurance. They offer the perfect combination of protein and complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy for intense workouts and aiding in post-exercise recovery. Additionally, they are rich in iron, which is essential for oxygen transport to the muscles and preventing fatigue. Another major benefit is their high fiber content, which supports digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, preventing insulin spikes and fat accumulation. And here's a bonus. When paired with whole grains like rice, they form a complete protein, supplying all the essential amino acids needed for muscle building. 6. Spinach and green vegetables. Want to keep your muscles strong as you age? Then don't ignore green vegetables. Spinach, kale, and broccoli are powerful allies in muscle preservation, especially as the years go by. These greens are packed with magnesium, iron, and antioxidants, key nutrients for muscle contraction, recovery, and reducing oxidative stress. They also contain natural nitrates which improve blood circulation and enhance muscle efficiency during workouts. The magnesium in these vegetables plays a crucial role in ATP production, the primary source of cellular energy, ensuring strength and endurance. Meanwhile, iron supports muscle oxygenation, helping prevent early fatigue. And there's more. Vitamin K, abundant in these greens, is essential for bone and joint health, reducing the risk of injuries. Incorporating these vegetables into your daily diet can slow down muscle loss, sarcopenia, and significantly improve your physical performance. 7. Cottage cheese and ricotta. Did you know your body can enter a catabolic state overnight? This happens because, while we sleep, we go for hours without consuming nutrients, so the body may break down muscle tissue for energy. That's where cottage cheese and ricotta come in. These options are rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady supply of amino acids, ensuring prolonged muscle nourishment and preventing tissue breakdown. Additionally, these cheeses are excellent sources of calcium, which is essential for muscle contraction and bone strength. They also contain leucine, a key amino acid that activates protein synthesis and stimulates muscle growth. If you want to maximize recovery and keep your body in an anabolic state while you sleep, include cottage cheese or ricotta before bed, and wake up with your muscles protected and ready for your next workout. 8. Oats. So if you want to prevent muscle breakdown and maintain energy throughout the day, oats need to be part of your diet. Rich in low glycemic carbohydrates, they provide a steady release of energy, preventing the glucose spikes and crashes that can compromise strength and endurance. Additionally, oats are packed with soluble fiber, which supports digestion and enhances the absorption of essential nutrients for muscle growth. One of their biggest benefits is beta-glucan, a compound that strengthens the immune system and speeds up post-workout recovery. To top it off, oats also provide plant-based proteins, zinc, and magnesium, which are crucial for protein synthesis and muscle regeneration. Eating oats for breakfast or before workouts ensures long-lasting energy, prevents catabolism, and improves athletic performance. 9. Nuts and seeds. Walnuts, cashews, almonds, and other nuts and seeds are powerful sources of energy and muscle protection. In addition to providing protein and antioxidants, they are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which play a key role in the production of anabolic hormones like testosterone, essential for muscle growth and maintenance of lean mass. These superfoods are also excellent allies for muscle recovery as they contain zinc and selenium, two minerals that fight inflammation and speed up muscle regeneration after intense workouts. Another amazing benefit: their high vitamin E content, which helps repair muscle tissues and protects against free radicals generated during exercise. Before we continue, I've got some exciting news to share. If you want to get more engaged, I'm excited to inform you that we now offer channel membership. As a member, you'll pay a small monthly fee and unlock some amazing perks like early access to new videos, priority replies to your comments, members-only shorts, polls, quizzes, and special emojis and loyalty badges just for you. It's a fantastic way to support the channel and connect with us even more. Just click the join button and let's make this experience even better together. 10. Sweet potatoes and brown rice. If you want to maintain muscle mass, ensure sustained energy, and speed up post-workout recovery, you need to include high-quality carbohydrates in your diet. When it comes to sustainable energy and muscle nutrition, sweet potatoes and brown rice are absolute champions. These carbohydrates provide glucose gradually, preventing energy crashes and ensuring that your body doesn't have to break down muscle tissue for fuel, especially after long periods without eating. Rich in fiber, B vitamins, and antioxidants, sweet potatoes protect muscles, enhance performance, and prevent insulin spikes, promoting a more efficient metabolism. They fuel the body without excess, supporting lean muscle gain and sustained energy. A great source of manganese and magnesium, brown rice boosts energy production, aids muscle recovery, and improves endurance. It also stabilizes blood sugar levels, optimizing performance and preventing fatigue. When to eat them. Post-workout replenishes energy and speeds up recovery. At dinner ensures gradual nutrient absorption without overloading the body. Now that you know which foods support muscle growth and strength, it's time to uncover the biggest enemies of your progress. Certain foods and habits could be slowing down your recovery, reducing your ability to build muscle, and draining your energy throughout the day. If you want to preserve lean mass and maintain peak performance, you need to eliminate or drastically reduce these muscle-sabotaging villains from your diet. 1. Fast food and fried foods. Ultra-processed foods, such as fast food and fried foods, are extremely harmful to muscle building. They contain high amounts of trans fats and oxidized oils, which increase inflammation in the body and hinder the production of anabolic hormones like testosterone. Additionally, these foods lack essential nutrients, providing empty calories that promote fat gain and muscle breakdown. For those aiming for muscle definition and strength, replacing these with healthy fat sources like olive oil, nuts, and avocado is essential. 2. Refined sugar and sodas. Excess refined sugar is directly linked to muscle loss and fat gain. When consumed in large amounts, it spikes blood glucose levels, leading to excessive insulin production. This process triggers chronic inflammation, impairs protein synthesis, and compromises muscle recovery. In the long run, excess sugar can lead to insulin resistance, making it harder for the body to absorb essential nutrients for muscle regeneration and reducing workout efficiency. If your goal is to maintain strength and performance, it's crucial to avoid sodas, sweets, and processed foods loaded with hidden sugars. 3. Processed meats. Sausages, deli meats, and other highly processed meats are packed with sodium, preservatives, and chemical additives that can hinder blood circulation and reduce oxygen flow to the muscles. Additionally, these products contain nitrates and nitrites, substances that increase oxidative stress, promoting inflammation and impairing muscle recovery. Frequent consumption of these foods can gradually reduce strength and even increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases. To ensure healthy muscle development, opt for fresh, lean meats which are high-quality protein sources free of harmful additives. 4. Ultra-processed food. Instant noodles, packaged cookies, and other ultra-processed foods are major obstacles for anyone looking to maintain strong muscles and optimize physical performance. These foods contain refined flours, hydrogenated vegetable oils, and excessive sodium, all of which increase inflammation in the body and accelerate muscle breakdown. Additionally, they lack proteins and essential amino acids, making post-workout recovery harder and gradually weakening muscle strength over time. Another major issue is their high glycemic index, which causes sharp spikes and crashes in energy levels, negatively affecting workout performance. How to prevent muscle loss? Eliminating harmful foods is just one part of the process. To truly ensure strong and healthy muscles, it's essential to incorporate effective daily strategies. Proper hydration. Water is essential for muscle recovery, prevents cramps, and improves nutrient transport. Weight training. Strength training is indispensable for stimulating muscle growth and preventing lean mass loss. Quality sleep. Muscle repair and anabolic hormone production occur during rest. Both are crucial for growth and strength maintenance. Balanced meals. Ensuring a steady intake of proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats is key to preserving muscle mass. Post-workout protein and carbohydrate combination. This strategy speeds up muscle recovery, optimizes growth, and enhances results. Which of these foods are already part of your diet? Leave your comment below. If you found this video helpful, please type yes in the comments below. I also encourage you to check out these 2 videos we selected especially for you. Thanks for watching.